In 2 weeks, all pupils will be back to in-person classes, and most parents we talk to prefer it that way. Their children going to school and learning directly from teachers.
Kasi po mapopokus po sila sa klase. Kasi sa module po, hindi po siya mapopokusan ng nanay. Kasi po, hindi lang naman sa pag-aaral ng bata sa module ang inaatupag.
Mas natuto po siya sa loob ng room. Kasi kahit galit na yung nanay, hindi pa rin sila nakikinig, unlike sa teacher.
Yung mga bata po, kapag ka naka-online po, hindi naman po nila agad natututunan yung mga natututunan po nila sa classroom.
Health Officer in charge Maria Rosario Vergeres still doesn't see the need to suspend the full implementation of face-to-face classes amid the detection of the highly transmissible XBC variant and XBB subvariant. She says restrictions from the pandemic have taken a toll on children's mental health.
Ang importante, may safeguards tayo. Kailangan ipagpatuloy natin ang paghihikayat sa pagpababakuna ng ating mga kabataan, pati na rin yung kanilang mga teaching and non-teaching personnel. Kailangan continuous surveillance and monitoring in our schools.
But public health advocate Dr. Tony Leachon is asking education officials to delay the full implementation of face-to-face classes on November 2 for at least 2 weeks. He says officials need to check first how XBB and XBC could impact coronavirus transmission, especially since both are more transmissible than the other variants.
Tingnan natin muna kasi mamaya inopen natin, highly transmissible to, magkakaroon tayo ng tingin kong problema, lalo na hindi pa natin alam ang clinical presentation of the XBC.
He says education officials should also assess which areas are safe to hold in-person classes and which areas should only have blended learning. Leachon notes the scheduled full face-to-face classes will begin just after All Souls Day, a possible coronavirus super spreader event.
Kung sa 2 weeks na yon, tumaas ang cases natin, kailangan nating itigil mo ng face-to-face classes kasi after that, Caroline, ang susunod na holiday season na. Ang mga bata kasi mababa pa ang wall of immunity at maaari sila din na magdala din sa kanilang mga lola at lolo ng cases.
He's most worried over the low vaccine coverage among children. Currently, only about half of the target young population, or 5.2 million children aged 5 to 11 years, are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. DepEd is in talks with other agencies, but an education official says for now, everything will proceed as scheduled.
Tayo naman po sa Department of Education, of course, we will always take our cue from the advice given by the DOH pagdating sa mga health guidelines or any health concerns.
Earlier studies found XBB and XBC have greater potential in evading our body's protection against the virus. Health officials are meeting with Moderna and Pfizer manufacturers to secure supplies of next-generation COVID vaccines deemed more effective against the new coronavirus variants and subvariants. Caroline Bongkin, CNN Philippines.